welcome to the channel. If you haven't yet, hit that like, share, and subscribe button. Make sure you stick around because we had just got cargo box off of the Z950. Now we have to undo these panels here and get down in so we can get to connecting up the programmer box. Okay guys, here's the box we're going to install. It's real simple and easy, but first I want to tell you this box is water resistant. It is not waterproof. None of these tuner boxes are 100% waterproof. I don't care what brand you have. They are water resistant. Okay? So mount this thing somewhere where it's not going to get blasted with water all the time. Now that we got that disclaimer out of the way, you're going to find your black wire, and it's going to ground anywhere that you can find a good ground to. We'll get to that in a moment. These are your injector wires. One is going to plug into your injector, aka this one. One's going to plug in to the plug-in that goes to your injector, aka this one. And you're going to repeat that for the next cylinder. It's real simple to do. So, this is real hard for me to do, guys. But that plug right there is an injector, and the next one is up here. We're going to unplug that and simply plug this in, but we're going to get this ran first. Okay guys, so I ran this box down along here. I'll show you how I did that in a minute. It's real easy to do. You got to get rid of this plastic piece. You got to take it out of there. It's just them 2 bolts, and then there's 2 clips, one on each side, and then you pop it out of here and it'll come right out. You don't have to rip this apart. Just cheat it a little bit and you can get it. So then all we have to do is drill a hole right in here that won't even be seen. That's the whole point of this install. And then what we're going to do is we're going to mount it right here as well. So that way it's an easy install. If you ever need to take it out, it's a clean uninstall and you won't even notice it. So you see where that wire goes down in that, right behind that heat shield? So that heat shield's actually going to protect this wire as well from the exhaust. So we're going to run it. We ran it. Just set that box down there. She'll slide all the way down. And then now we just got to hook up our cables and then get our ground hooked up. Once we do that, since I'm a one-man show out here, tried calling some help. Couldn't get nobody to come help, so screw it. I'll show you guys how that's done in a minute. So you can see that injector. I'm sorry guys, the lighting sucks. You see that injector? We're just going to unplug that, plug it into the harness, and then plug the harness into that injector. And we're going to do the same thing for the other injector over there. So let's get that done. Okay, can you guys see what we did there? We plugged that injector wire into there and then plugged the box wire. Hold on. Into that injector right there. Now I got to do the front cylinder. It's going to be the same concept. And guys, trying to work on the Z950 actually sucks. God's honest truth. There's no room to do anything in the top of the motor. Like in the 800s and the 500 trail, you pop off that back plate in the bed and you can get to everything easily. I would have had this tuner hooked up so fast. Trying to get to everything on this is just far in there. It kind of reminds me of working on a car. Well, let's get it installed. All right, guys, now that we got those done, we got to hook up the ground. And I found a perfect spot. I'll just have to use a little zip ties. See that coil right there? Right there, that coil? We're going to take out one of them bolts on the frame. and we're gonna ground her right there. That's a perfect ground because that coil is grounded anyway. All coils that bolt the frames are grounded, so that'd be a good spot. Let's get her done. Okay guys, so we got it installed. Now we have to turn the key on and start the ignition. There we go. It's now in stage 1 mode. We will have to play with the fuel after we get done with the exhaust. So let's get that buttoned up and installed back together real nice. All right guys, I got the plastic notched. Let's get it back in. All right guys, got her installed right there, and we're gonna go test it.
Anything.
So what you just saw was us playing with this thing, and we tried it without the box. We tried it with the box with the tune that it comes with, and then we bumped everything up 1 notch just to play with it. And just that 1 notch on all the levels, it really woke it up. But keep in mind, it has 32-inch tires, so it's not gonna have that much power back there at the wheel like yours might with the stock tires, or even 28-inch tires or 29-inch tires. These suckers are 32s and they're heavy, so keep that in mind. But we felt the difference for sure within that box. Make sure you stay tuned for other upcoming stuff, and maybe we'll go over how to tune that box in future videos and stuff like that. But it's real easy to do. All right guys, like, share, and subscribe. Peace out. We'll see you in the next one.